Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today we have given another network diagram and it has 4 instructions. First instruction, from switch 2, disable the connection to the laptop. Click the CLI and then type enable and then configure terminal. Then after that is the interface fast Ethernet. And then the port number, which is 9/1. 9/1. Then after that, type shutdown. So it says that the line protocol on interface fast Ethernet 9/1 change state to down. And then second one is from switch 3, disable the connection to PC4. Enable, configure terminal. And then interface fast Ethernet. Eight over 1. And then shutdown. And repeat it again from switch 1, CLI, enable, configure terminal. And then interface fast Ethernet 0/1. And then shutdown. So as you can see, it is all disabled. And then we will do the last step, reestablish the connection for items 1, 2, and 3. Start from switch 1, just type no shutdown to reestablish the connection. So it says that the line protocol on interface fast Ethernet 0/1 change state to up. Switch 2, just repeat what I do, no shutdown. Okay, no shut. So that's all. As you can see, it is all reestablished from the connection to different devices. That's all. Thank you.